Yeah, yeah. So have
This is Flush Show Catering, bringing wages to your table, just to teach us how we can do our wages at home for our children. So now this is time for us to do things like this for our children, to take them off the street from junk food. So you can actually do your own wedges with potato at home. This is potato with skin. So I've washed it. I'm just going to be cutting it. I washed it and I soak it in my pot. You can see it. Now I got my chopping board here and my knife, and I got another bowl here, bucket with water, plastic bucket with water. You can see I've already started cutting. So all we need to do, we just take our potato because it's washed this way, you see. So I just take some bits and pieces that I don't like on it. I took them off myself, see. So you can get this potato in the market, Tesco, wherever Sainsbury. So you see, you cut it into half. You can cut it the way you like. You want it smaller, bigger, just do it. So you can actually prepare this for your children at home. So we are still going to be cutting, and then we take it from there. Keep cutting. You just keep cutting them how you like it. So it doesn't take time. It's very easy. Very easy to cut. You can see it. See? So I'm just putting them in my plastic bucket there. So within a few minutes we are done cutting the potato wedges for today. And we're going to be having this potato wedges with drumstick chicken today. So because the children, they love chicken. So if you start doing your one, at home for them, I don't think they will have interest on that junk food. I'm not saying don't take your children out, but one off. It's not like everyday stuff like you see our children in the street buying junk food all the time. But weekend, you can do this as a special meal weekend for your family. They will love it. They will enjoy it. Make salad bowl by the side. They will love it and they will like it. So I'm done with the cutting of the potato wedges right now. So I'm just going to wash them again, and season them, and they put it in my oven while my chicken marinated. I marinate my chicken. So I just want to show you how it look like. You see this yeah, we are going to be mixing the potatoes now. First of all, that's the chicken we are using, and that's the potato after cutting it, washing it again, and then this is the result we've got from it. So we're going to mix it. I got my ingredients here. So I got different type of ingredients which I'm going to be mixing together. This is Maggi cube. I've already breaking them, and just use my hand to squeeze them. That's garlic, that's curry powder, and that's my special seasoning, and another of my special seasoning here. Okay, we're just going to be taking a bit from them, and then we mix them up together. So right now we're going to take them bit by bit and then mix them together. So mixing them together, we're just going to be taking a bit from each seasoning. Right now this is mango, just a bit of the mango because I like them seasoning, So a bit of garlic powder, a bit of curry powder, then a bit of my special seasoning. So the only one I'm not going to put there is this one, especially this is for chicken. So if you want to know how I got my seasoning or what I use in getting this result, this seasoning, just DM me on my Instagram, then we take it from there. So a bit of the Maggi cube again, because I love when it's really tasty. I don't use salt for my cooking. If you've been following my video, you can see I don't use salt. So if you like, you can use salt on your one. Use different type of seasoning that you like. So this is the oil. I'm just going to put a bit of the oil on it, so it will not stuck on my baking pan. Today I haven't got my baking paper today, so I run out of it. So I'm just going to put it straight into the pan. So I need a lot of oil, and at the center, that's my baking pan. I'm going to be, just base it with a little bit of oil. I'm just basing the pan now, so then I'll start to marinate my potato wedges that I have cut. So I've already based my pan, you see, it's oil now. So now what we are going to do, we are going to be marinating. Now I'm just marinating it. Just marinating it. I'm still marinating the potato wedges. Now we're just going to put it in the grease pan that I've showed you before. So we're just putting it in the pan. Just put it the way you want it. So after which, then we'll put it in the oven. Mind you, I've already put on my oven on put it on 380 degree. Once I put this potato, I'm going to be bringing it to 320 degree. I don't want it burned. All I want is a golden color. So you can see the seasoning is on it. So it's going straight to the oven. Eden, please, can you put it in the oven for me, darling? Thank you. So that has just gone into the oven. And then we have the chicken here. We have the chicken here, right? So, now we're going to marinate the chicken. Okay? We're marinating the chicken, right? So now, we're going to marinate the chicken. I'm going to be putting my seasoning. Right now, I'm about to put the seasoning. I put a bit of the Maggi. You see, the Maggi cube. Thank you. Sorry, just want to rinse my hand. Why I do that, in case I have anybody that is having allergy with potato, eating the chicken, so that the person, there will not be any cross contamination. So now a bit more for the chicken. This is my special seasoning for my chicken. It's going in. It's going in there. So I'll put a bit of the garlic powder and a bit of curry powder. So now I'm going to put a bit of the oil. There's a bit of the oil. So we're just going to be marinating the chicken. Now we are done marinating it. Now we just base our baking pan. I'm basing the baking pan, see, with my brush. So now finish basing my basing pan. That's it for the chicken. So we're just going to train it. I'm going to train it on my baking pan now. So I'm just training the chicken. So after which the chicken is going to go to the oven as well. So back onto Flour Show Kitchen. So this is it. This is it. This is it. I'm just putting a bit of Fendi sauce on top. So that's it. This will be going to the oven. See the way it look like? Isn't that beautiful? That's nice. So it will be going into the oven. Then after which, it's going to be on 320 degree. So that will, let's say 15 to 20 minutes, it should be ready. Likewise, the potato 10 to 15 minutes will be ready. So just follow along as we walk along. The chicken is ready now. That's the chicken. See how beautiful it is. That's the color I want to achieve, golden brown color. And then the potato as well is ready. You see, that's the way it is. See how beautiful it is. That's the color I want to achieve. Now we're going to dish it, and then that's it. We're done with the cooking now. We're just trying to dish it and then show you how it looks like, and go for taste. Already I've tasted it. It's nice. We're seasoning, and then we're just going to be munching this afternoon. And you can do this for your children. This is nice and it's so lovely. The color, the taste, they're all perfect. So it's easy. It's easy to achieve. Just get your potato in the market or in the shop, maybe Tesco, Sainsbury, and you just do it. Just follow it gradually the way I prepared it, and you will enjoy it, and your children as well. And use it to entertain your visitors. Honestly, they will love it and they will like it. We're just going to garnish it with this. You know I love to decorate my food. And I love salad as well. So just to show you, we're done, and that's it. Do you love it? That's chicken and wedges. Enjoy it. If you want anything like this, DM me on my Instagram, and please like the video, share, and leave a comment below for me. Subscribe to my channel, please. Flour Show Catering. Yeah, Flour Show View. Sorry, Flour Show View. And on my Facebook is Flour Show Catering. Okay, so enjoy it. Flour Show Catering, bringing jacket potato and chicken to your table. Thank you. Thank you for subscribing, and God bless you. Thank you. And we're done. Thanks.